Alright guys, welcome back to Underdog Painting. So this is like the first video really of this year, and I think it's the first video I've done in a month. I haven't really done any painting as of yet to show you, but things are hopefully going to be more regular. So this year I am trying to, or the aim is to make the channel look a little bit better. Again, be more regular with content. I'm not going to say, you know, it's going to be bang every Monday, but that's the aim kind of thing. I know that's still kind of a negative thing. Well, why don't you? But yeah, so painting videos, a few more hobby updates, not so much live videos anymore. Don't get me wrong, I love talking to you guys who come on and stuff. But I just feel with me doing the live videos, it's kind of distracting me from actually filming how to paint videos, which is pretty much what this channel is all about. So yeah, so stick with me this year, guys. There's loads of cool stuff coming up. Hopefully you think they're cool. I think they're cool. I really want to get into showing you guys how I paint miniatures. Now I know the videos that I'm doing is just a generic, this is how you can paint them quite quick on the tabletop. But that's not to say that's how I would paint them. So there's going to be more videos on how I paint my models, which can take a while, you know, some of the techniques and stuff, but still trying to get across that it's easy to do. That's what I want to portray in the videos. So yeah, guys, thank you for sticking by. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.